Okay, I have this shower panel that has this. I took it off of a shower, and now I'm gonna have to replace it, put it back on, but it's got all this liquid nails on there. So I looked online and I seen how to remove it. All we need is a heat gun and a putty knife. Let's go ahead and see if we can do it. There you go. I tried scraping it off. I couldn't scrape it off, so I just put the heat on there for about a good minute, I guess. Okay. There it is there. We got it all. Got it all up now. See, there it is there. We got all the liquid nails off of there. Now we're ready to put some more liquid nails on there and reinstall it in the shower. Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial on how to remove old liquid nails from any surface.